In this video, we will see how to use a dryer. First thing to do is to take your clothes from the washing machine that just finished its cycle. As you can see here, we are washing some towels. By the way, this is about the only thing that I put into my dryer. Well, this and bed sheets. I don't put clothes inside it because, well, it use your clothes more quickly. So just don't put it there, I hang it. This is the lint filter. Make sure you clean it every single time. It's the only thing that you have to do. It's highly flammable and, well, your dryer becomes really hot, so it's very important. Also, your conduit that go outside, make it cleaned by a professional from time to time. There we go. Then, shut the door, power on the dryer, and, well, now I'm gonna move it to towels because this is what it is inside. Then choose your temperature. Because this is towel, I put it to I, but if you really want to put your clothes inside, put it to a lower temperature. And then we're gonna move to the right to the dry level. Do you want it dry or really dry? This is what it is for. And finally, there's the dry time. Don't touch to it, just leave it to auto and press start. And there we go. You just have to wait for the machine to finish drying your clothes. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful.